Good morning, children. Today also we discuss some problems of linear equation in one variable. And here the first problem is denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 8. If the numerator is increased by 17 and the denominator is decreased by 1, the number obtained is 3 by 2. Find the rational number. Okay. Here the denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 8. So that denominator is related to its numerator. So first we consider our numerator of the rational number as x. So we can write the denominator as x plus 8. Okay. So our rational number is x by x plus 8. Then according to the question, if the numerator is increased by 17, that is x become x plus 17 and the denominator is decreased by 1. Denominator is x plus 8, decreased by 1 means minus 1. The number obtained is equal to 3 by 2. So it is equal to 3 by 2. That x plus 8 minus 7 can be written as x plus 7. So x plus 17 by x plus 7 equal to 3 by 2. Then you know how to solve it. Just cross multiply. 2, open the bracket, we get 2x plus 34 is equal to 3 into x, 3x plus 3 into 7, 21. Then 2x minus 3x is equal to 21. You take that 34 to the right side, it becomes minus 34. 21 minus 34, it is minus 13 and 2x minus 3x is minus x. So in both sides we have negative sign, so we can cancel it. Okay. So x is equal to 13. In this way we find out the value of x and our rational number we consider it as x by x plus 8. So finally you put the value of x here. 13 by 13 plus 8. X by x plus 8 become 13 by 13 plus 8 is equal to 13 by 21. This is our answer. This is our rational number. Okay. Another question, sum of the digit of a 2-digit number is 9. When we interchange the digit, it is found that the resulting new number is greater than the original number by 27. What is the 2-digit number? Okay. So, you know how to expand a number. For example, if you write 45, what is the expanded form? This is 1's place and this is 10's place. So, you expand this 45 as 4 into 10 plus 5 into 1. Similarly, here also given that the sum of the digit of the 2-digit number is x. So, we consider the unit place of the digit as 2-digit number as x. And it is given that the sum of that digit is x. For example, unit place is 5 and the sum of the digit is 9. So, how you find out the 10's place? 9 minus 5, you get the 10's place. Similarly, here also 10's place become 9 minus x. We don't know the value of x. This is an example. That's why I write 9 minus 5. It become 4. Here we write 9 minus x. So, how you write the number? 9 minus x, 4 into 10 plus 5 into 1. Similarly, here also 9 minus 10's place into 10 plus unit place into 1. And a condition is given, new number is equal to original number plus 27. That's the condition. So, first you find out the new number. How you find out the new number? If we interchange the digit, it is found that the resulting new number is greater than the original number by 27. For example, 45, if you interchange, what you get? 54. Similarly, here also, if you interchange the digit, you get the number. How you get the number? Here you know that your number is 9 minus x into 10 plus x into 1. So, if you interchanging the number, new number is 9 minus 10 into 9 minus x into 10 become, instead of 9 minus x we have x into 10 plus this instead of x we have 9 minus x. So, 9 minus x into 1. This is our original new number. original number is this one and new number is just interchanging the digit. So given that this 10x plus 9 minus x into 1, that is the new number is equal to original number. Original number is this one, original number plus 27. Then open the bracket, 10x plus 9 minus x into 1 is 9 minus x itself is equal to 10 into 9, 90 minus 10x plus 27. That is 9, this one is 10 into 9 is 90, 10 into x is 10x, then you write this x plus this number 27, okay. Then 10x minus x is 9x, then you write this plus 9 is equal to, here we have a plus 90 and 27, so you add that two number, you get 117 and minus 10x plus x. Take the difference and put the sign of the greatest number, so you get minus 9x. Then you know how to solve a linear equation. Take all the terms containing the variable to LHS and numbers to the other side. So we have a 9x in the LHS. Take this minus 9x also to the LHS. 9x plus 9x is equal to 117. Take that plus 9 to the right side. Become minus 117 minus 9. So it is 108. So 9x plus 9x is 18x. 18x is equal to 108. So x is equal to 108 by 18. So the value of x is 6. Okay, then we get the value of x as 6. So our number is 9 minus x into 10 plus x into 1. So you put the value of x here. 9 minus 6 into 10 plus 6. 9 minus 6 is 3. 3 into 10 plus 6. That is 30 plus 6. It is 36. Okay. Hope you understood this. Another question. Half of a herd of deer are grazing in the field and 3/4 of the remaining are playing nearby. The rest 9 are drinking water from the pond. Find the number of deer in the herd. Okay. Here we want to find out the total number of deer. So we consider our x as total number of deer. Okay. Then number of deer grazing in the field is half. So we know the total is x. So half of herd of deer is x by 2. If number of deer grazing in the field is x by 2, then what is the remaining number? Total minus x by 2. That is x minus x by 2. What you get? 2 into x, 2x minus x whole divided by 2. It is again x by 2. That is the remaining. Okay. Then 3/4 of the remaining are playing nearby. 3/4 of the remaining. What is the remaining now? Again x by 2. So number of deer playing nearby. That is 3/4 of the remaining. X minus x by 2, it is x by 2. So of means into. So 3/4 into x by 2. Number of deer drinking water. It is 9. That is also given. And if you add all these, what you get? X, because x denotes the total number of deer. So x by 2, that is number of deer grazing in the field, plus number of deer playing, that is 3/4 of half remaining, plus 9 drinking water is equal to x. Here we can write 3/4 of x by 2 is no common factor. So 3x by 8, x by 2 plus 9 is equal to x. So then you solve this equation. You take that x also to the LHS. It become minus x, and take that plus 9 to the right side. It is minus 9. Then you take the LCM on the LHS. LCM of 2, 8, 1 is 8. So we get 4x plus 3x minus 8x whole divided by 8 is equal to minus 9. 4x plus 3x is 7x minus 8x is equal to minus 72. Cross multiply that 8 to the right side. That is minus x is equal to minus 72. So we can cancel that negative from both sides. You get x is equal to 72. That is total number of deer is equal to 72. Okay. Hope you understood all the problems of linear equation, and if you have any doubt you can ask. I will clear it, and I will give you some assignment questions also from this chapter, and you submit on the next week. Okay. Thank you.